Namaste, my friends. Greetings, Nina here. How are you all doing? It's Monday, first day of the week. Yes, I've come. It's evening over here, and I've come on a walk over here. You can see people over here in the park taking a walk. Some of them are playing, kids are playing, some of them are doing workouts. Yes, we take so much of care of our health, right? We do so much of workout to keep maintain our health. But is so much enough? Do you think so much of doing so much of workout, going on a walk, going on a gym, doing so much of exercise is so much enough to maintain our health? We do so much, and at the end of the day, we see we are not getting that much results as we expected, right? We are not able to maintain our health. We tend to fall sick often after doing so much also. Why is it? What is the problem? Where's the what is what is the hidden truth? What we're not able to see? What is the clear picture which we're not able to see? You can see it, right? See, if you take a glass, I'll give you a simple example. Now you have a glass, and the hi Banwantla Seven जी कैसे हैं आप? हाँ. You take a glass, right? You have a glass over there, and it is filled with water. Now, according to you, the water is clean, but it may not be clean. It may be dirty also, right? Yeah. So the water may not be clean. It may be dirty. And on this, but for your eyes, it looks clean. But you really don't know the quality of this water. And so this water, you keep pouring water. You try to do something to that water. Now, depending upon the quality of the water, what's the outcome of that? It depends on the quality that is inside that glass, right? So you can take the same thing with your body. Now, if your body is not clean from inside, if it's not fit from inside, how can you expect it to function properly depending upon whatever you do? I mean, whatever you do from externally, it's all for maintenance. But if it's not fit from inside, how can you be fully fit? For it to be fully fit, you have to be fit from inside, right? But we don't know this fact. Our ancestors, if you look at our ancestors never had this problem. Why? Because they used to get healthy food. The food what they used to get was healthy. They used to have lot of activities. But our lifestyles nowadays, it's not so. We have so many gadgets over there. All the time we are just sitting on the computers doing something or the other. It's not healthy lifestyle. Nor are the food which we are consuming. They're not healthy. They're not at all healthy, the food we consume, right? And you can see look at our ancestors. They used to live 100 plus. But look at us. We hardly can cross some 50. The moment we start becoming 25 plus, we'll start getting so many diseases. Before what was the heart? The age when people used to get BP, diabetes and all. It was 50, 60 that time. But now, they get at very early age. They don't even cross 20, 25. They are diagnosed with BP and sugar. That is diabetes. Why all this is happening? Because we are not taking care of our health. Hi Yogesh Sharma. How are you? Hope your day is going fine. Right? We know all this. We know we have to take care of our health. But we are not consistent about it. Why? Why we are not consistent about it? Why we don't want to take care of our health? What is that stopping us from doing it? It's major laziness. first and foremost is laziness, because we just want to just take things easy way out. We don't want to work much. That is what is happening, right? It's very few who take health very seriously, who do things about it. And you see mind blowing results from them, and you'll be wondering, why are they so fit and fine? Think about your health. This is one of the nuggets which I wanted to share today. There are lots and lots and lots of things about health which I will share eventually as it goes on. Thank you, my friends, for watching.